All right, here we go, guys. Let's see if this lady doesn't think I'm crazy. Excuse me, I'm going to speak Spanish, so I'll translate later. Hold on a sec. Okay, let's see here. There's a couple people in front of me, so hopeful, wishful. Hola, estoy haciendo un juego, por un video. Quiero pedir el orden adelante de mí. No me digas lo que es, no más quiero lo mismo comida que la persona adelante de mí ordené. ¿Me entiendes? 100 tomates. 100 tomates. Es el único que pido, 100 tomates. El mismo ordené, nomás 100 tomates.
No lleva tomate.
Okay, no me digas lo que es. No me digas lo que es.
Ok.
¿Sí puedes?
Sí.
Ok. Muchas gracias.
¿Y los dos size?
Con todo, no me digas, con todo lo que ellos pidieron. Por favor.
¿Es todo?
Sí.
$19.
So it came to $19, so we're looking good here, guys. Got something to eat, so wishful thinking. Always leave a tip. Gracias. Okay, so now we wait, and I'm gonna come over here in the tent and chill out of the sun, and I'll show you guys the actual taco truck. So the taco truck is this taco truck, and their actual name is Chino Taqueria, and we are on Maple and 10th Street in Hillsboro, Oregon. So yeah, keep following along. I'm gonna wait for my food. I'm not sure if the video will quite go that long, so we'll see, but it's looking positive, as the amount total was quite a bit, so we'll see. And she asked me what kind of sides I want, but I was trying to tell her not to let me know what anything was, and what I asked for was. What happened was, so I walked up to her and I asked her to give me the exact same order that was placed before me. And so she kind of looked at me funny, and she's like, huh? And so I explained to her what I'm doing, and she said, oh, okay. And I said, so don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything at all. Just go ahead and place that order. So then she begins to say, well, do you want those sides? And she almost said it, and I said, no. Whatever the order was, whatever it was, place that order. The sides, whatever. The only thing that I asked for is no tomatoes. No tomatoes at all. So then she began to tell me that it doesn't take tomatoes. So let's see. I'm really interested in finding out what we're gonna get. So much for the keto diet. Doesn't mean I have to eat it all. I just gotta check it out. So it looks like the guys before me just got their order, and I think I heard her say burritos. So maybe we got some burritos. I'm not sure. Guess we're gonna wait and find out. I don't really have anywhere to set you guys up, so and I definitely am going to ask for lots of green hot sauce. So that is definitely what is up with me. So come check us out at check them out at El Chino Taqueria here in Hillsboro, Oregon, where everybody is practicing safe COVID social distancing and masks, hand sanitizer. I don't see any gloves, however, but so they have a tent and you can come and sit at picnic tables and get out of the sun or get out of the rain, because it's Oregon, so give it 5 seconds, it'll change. So yeah, feel pretty fancy today. I got my shirt and my pants, my blazer pants on, and my Nikes, or my Reeboks, not Nikes. Pretty spiffy, matching, except for my mask doesn't really match. Very light. So wishful thinking, I think it's coming up. There we go. Looks like a pretty big bag. Gracias.
Sí, que le vaya bien.
Gracias. ¿Puedo pedir salsa verde, por favor? I just asked her for some green sauce.
Ahí tiene.
Gracias. Que tengan buen día. Gracias. So, this is the bag. Here, we'll go back into the shade, because I'm gonna do this at home. So I'm gonna take this home, and it looks like she said burritos. So we got 2. Wow. 2. Okay, so yeah, we'll get this home. We'll check it out. All right, guys. See you when I get home. Bye for now.